volunteers natin nandito na nanalo rin, mga vice mayors, members of my family, mga barangay kapitan, yung mga huwes nandito, mga fiskal, heads of national agencies and representatives, Armed Forces of the Philippines, Philippine National Police, private partners, mga kapatid natin na IPs and Muslim brothers, provincial employees, ating mga political leaders, mga municipal coordinators, mga barangay coordinators na nandito, yung mga alternate kapitan natin. Siguro, tataka kayo bakit may alternate kapitan. Siyempre, saan yung mga alternate kapitan natin? Siyempre, hindi lahat ng kapitan sa atin nung last election. So, kailangan i-fill up natin sa Matag Barangay, no? Siyempre, inimbita natin lahat yung mga kapitan, mga mayor na nanalo. Walang political color tayo ngayong araw na ito. Sa mga bisita natin, lahat-lahat na, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. I stand before you now with mixed feelings as I will now end my term as your governor. We have been together through tough and triumphant times. We sowed and reaped our gains and accolades for the past 9 years. And we have shown to our people that there is power in unity. It is unity that makes progress evident in this place. Our success would have been impossible if not with our unified leadership and the people behind us. I'd like to thank Congressman Maricar Zamora, my partner in District 1, Vice Governor Manuel Y. Curat Zamora, our board members, our mayors, and other municipal officials, our barangay captains and officials, the provincial department heads and employees, heads of national government agencies, private sectors, and all other sectors, and the rest of the Convaleños for the efforts and support you have rendered in past years. As your public servant, we have worked hard to maintain the unity and deliver responsive government service you deserve. As I end my term, indeed, this is bittersweet for me, but this is not goodbye, as I will be serving our people in another capacity, one from where I have first started my public service as your Sangguniang Panlalawigan member. Rest assured that I will exert the same enthusiasm and commitment that I have shown to you for the past years. And I look forward to doing more things for the good of our people and the province in the legislative arena. If you can recall my concluding statement in my last provincial address on March 2006 was this: as your governor, I believe I did better, but the best is yet to come. My dear colleagues, partners, and friends, as I turn over the solidarity ring to the next governor, my successor, Governor-elect J.B. Tyrone Uy, I am confident that our legacy on unity and good governance will be pursued by the next administration. I see growth and much developed Compostela Valley under the hands of a leader who possesses transformational and responsive leadership, the qualities needed to sustain the strong administrative, economic, environmental, and social governance that were established within our three-term incumbency. With the new governor